Good morning. A week from today's Christmas. Yay. Not in the mood this year. How's everybody doing? Sorry, just the nursing home my mom's in. I really should call the state investigators, but anyhow, I didn't even see them all messed in the head, pissed off. Let's go. What do we got? Let's get out of this frame of mind. We got yesterday, decent day, 150. It started with what? $2 and some odd cents. Off to 14 today. 10 orders going out. It ships. So same thing when I end this and an order comes in, I will go ahead and pack it. I usually leave for the post office, I don't know, 10, 11. And if I'm actually sitting here, then I'll pack up an order. So let me see. Gonna go see Avatar tonight. So that's exciting. What was it? Somerset? Mechanicsburg. That is the Seidel Memorial Hospital. Let me see. What do we got now? BA4. I was kind of getting bored with the cartoon-looking dudes for my finger goo. So I just thought it was amusing. Yeah, you have postcards for pennies, and they turn into 20s. Get it? Olivet College Phi Alpha Pi. Oh, I got something to show you. Let me sleeve this. Let me sleeve this one up, and then I'll go look for what I wanted to show you. I don't know if I can even find it. Like, I captured it on a screenshot, but I don't know if I can find it actually in eBay. I found it. Postcards and supplies. 24 million. I mean, when you go up here and you just search postcard, 14 million plus. But when you actually, I don't even know how I did it. 24.6 million postcards on eBay. Now, I found this yesterday or 2 days ago. Let me see if I can find the screenshot. So this was 2 days ago. 24,638,353. So that was 2 days ago. So it gained 30-some thousand in 2 days, which is like almost 17,000 new postcards a day. I don't know what to think of that. On one hand, it's like, okay, if you want to buy postcards, go to eBay. But obviously, on the other hand, it's the speed listers just putting up shit cards. But I don't know how I feel about that. I'm torn. It's both good that 24 million postcards and people hopefully coming back to buy from eBay after leaving for years and years and years. But again, you got mass listers listing shit cards that then your nice cards get convoluted and flooded unseen unless you pay to have them seen. I should have shut up 10 years ago. I mean, someone else would have touted how easy. And here I'm going, pennies to 20s. I am to blame. Just gotta list better shit. What am I gonna do? Go sell clothes? Go sell shoes? Be a Pokemon and sports cards, not scammer, reseller, and hide my Pokemon packs under the displays in Walmart and Target? As long as all these mass sellers, keep up the good customer service, that I think that's one good thing about selling postcards on eBay. The customers have been pretty damn good. And as long as those mass sellers, keep providing good customer service, keep the customers happy, don't turn into a big scam market, we might be okay. Anyway, what was that? Chambersburg. I bought an album. Someone wanted $20 for that at one time. What'd I sell it for? Oh, okay. From pennies to 20s. I bought a album at an auction. It was during the pandemic, and I paid. Let me see. Probably came out to maybe $1 a card. But it had stuff like that. It was all local to Chambersburg, PA, Shippensburg, and a lot of Clyde Laughlin, which I think I have a video on Clyde Laughlin. And they were really, really nice cards. I think 3 cards that I listed immediately sold quickly, paid for everything. And I just finally got around to listing almost the rest of that album. When was this listed? November, yeah. I listed a whole bunch of Laughlin real photos, Chambersburg, stuff like that. It might have been earlier in the summer. This is interesting, since the airplane cards, when I go through a big box, and that's how I, one of the big banker boxes, that ends up being like 4 boxes of sorted and listed cards. There were so many cards that are the exact same cards that I've found in one box, and then a year later I find them again. And so you can see, this is one card. I have 1,000 of them, and I just happened to find 600 of them at one time. Months or whenever later, I found another stack of 400. Exact same airplane, and he bought, based off of my inventory code, bought 2 of them. This is just me thinking. He's probably thinking, well, they're 2 different cards because he has 2 different inventory numbers. Identical. Another nice. I bought this from Dave. Remember buying it because I see the Brown Derby restaurant. There's always the street view of it. Usually a linen. I'd never seen this view of it. So I was like, yeah, I'll take a chance for $1. It was $1, not $2. Ended up selling for, I think I had it over 20. And it's been listed for a year plus. So I sent out 30% off offers. I think that's what we're looking at here. From pennies to 20s. Card stay order came in overnight, which is nice. I'm caught up with backlogs, so if you were waiting, now's the time to order. I'm actually working on... I don't know if there'll be a need for them, but I think they're different colored tabs for sorting. Got a 3D printer, might as well use it, right? I have another idea for them that I need to kind of noodle through. Good for the people who change labels on the boxes often. Working on it. Let's see if I can find a box to demonstrate. It's just in this box. Nice sale here. I don't know if I did a video for the members on pennants. I need to. Well, there. Non-members, I just told you. That's pretty cool. Fireman's Convention. Oh, the Whatnot show on Saturday. New labels. I'm not going to fill a flat rate. I mean, I might end up doing a flat rate box or two. But I'm going to do it from the basement here. Pounders, states, stuff like that, I think. I think all my Christmas shopping's done. I think. I don't know. I tell you, I'm not into it this year. TV. You know, Christmas is awesome until you're, what, a moody teenager. I mean, this is my thinking. Maybe you always have the Christmas spirit, but it changes, after you find out Santa's not real, and then, you're in a teen and you want a really nice camera and you get a disposable type of camera. It just kind of ruins it to me. That's me again. Of course, I'm a pessimist today anyway. But then it becomes special again when you have kids, and even though it sucks moving the elf or putting a new toy overnight in the advent calendar, or watching the kid come down the steps on Christmas morning. I mean, that's awesome. That's better. That's just freaking awesome. And now it's just like, okay, I'll get you a $25 gift card because I know you're going to get me a $25 gift card. We'll just end it, and it's not needed. Yes, it's the thought that counts, but there's no thought. I don't know. Popeye Scrooge. Gonna get visited by ghosts. Dark. Merry fucking Christmas. Thumbs down, me God. Whiny, whiny, whiny. At least I recognize it. Oh, come on. I gotta find this one. It was in Y24. Why not? I hurt myself smiling. Okay, that looks like it. I don't know what else to say. I hope you have great sales and a happy Christmas and all that stuff. I do mean that. So, okay, enough. Bye.